Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Amber. I really enjoy designing garment patterns.
We're going to show you some tips and tricks to be more successful when sewing our patterns.
To attach your sleeve placket, you'll need your interfaced and marked placket piece and your sleeve. It should also have a line marked that matches up with the line on your sleeve placket. You're going to place the sleeve placket right sides to the right side of the sleeve and line up those markings and then pin it in place. And then we'll take it to the machine and stitch along this outer line. You want to sew very close to the center cut line, down one side and then to a point where you'll pivot and sew back up the other side. You're sewing about 1/8 of an inch away from that cut line. I've gotten down to the bottom of the point, and you might have seen me kind of swoop in towards that point. You don't want a sharp edge where you turn along the side. You kind of just want to like veer towards that center point. And so now I'm going to start going at a slight angle away from that point, away from that cut line, and then straighten up and go 1/8 of an inch down the other side. Now we'll take it to the iron. Iron the edges of the sleeve placket on all sides in at 1/4 of an inch. I do the 2 long sides first, and then I'll fold up the top of it. And once you have those sides pressed in, you can go ahead and cut open your sleeve placket. You're going to cut right down the center of this line and as close as you can to that point without snipping the threads. And then you'll be able to flip the placket around to the wrong side of your sleeve. And then press the placket flat along that seam line. We'll take it back to the machine and sew those folded edges down to finish the sleeve placket. Sew down the sleeve placket along the wrong side and just stay close to the edge as you do that. You'll stop at each corner with the needle down and pivot. And then you can give it one final press and your sleeve placket is complete.